Make sure to check out our Patreon for uncut reactions, early uploads, and polls to help us pick our next reaction series, as well as some Patreon exclusives like Hunter x Hunter and Assassination Classroom. Thanks for the continued support.
In the Wood Anime,
Mustache.
Joey Bra.
Ash.
Back with another Demon Slayer reaction. This time, we got Season 2, Episode 2, or the Mugen Train Arc, Episode 2.
Oh my God.
Whatever you want to call it, it's Episode 2, Deep Sleep, last episode. Pretty good start to the season.
Great start to a season 2.
Yeah, great start to a season 2. No, it was pretty good. Good little standalone, not part of the movie, giving us more depth on Rengoku. Very sweet, showing the bento box, how it got it, and taking care of some demon dude. That wasn't too bad. Thought it was the shit. And we saw some flashbacks of his father. Kind of saw the shoes that he is trying to fill. So, episode 2, going forward, I believe this is where the movie is going to start. So, of course, we've seen it. Expect spoilers if you haven't seen it. And, you know, we're going to give it a watch. So, we're not going to be shocked. We're not going to be, like, oh, God. You know, we're just doing a rewatch. We're having some fun. We're chilling. I do think we get an OP, so we're going to check that out. And let's hop in. Deep sleep.
I thought that dude's mouth was open, but it sounds obsessed.
It does look like that. Good transition, though, from the first episode onto this.
I'm obsessed with this animation.
Yeah.
I will say, getting a bite of everything in one, that is delicious.
That is delicious. You can't beat it, man. We get it, man. Damn. I'm cleaning up his mess.
For now. I think it's so sweet when people do that movement. They pat the seat next to them.
That's it, man.
I just got the chills.
Yeah, I love seeing all these branches here. It's the Datsu, man. Can't wait for an entire new season of his meltdowns.
I need a ticket for whatever is in that box, please.
I know. Ugly ass.
Wind.
Easy.
Now his mouth is open.
Yeah.
Arr.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Speed. That's a Nazi face. Will never be old.
I love how Inosuke sleeps.
Sprawled out.
I just noticed that's when his scar changes. That kills me.
Man.
Beautiful.
Let's go fucking watch this one out. Hell yeah.
Should have been.
Should have been. All right, episode 2 down. I'm gonna give a quick hot take real quick. Can I do it? I almost think that watching it in episodic form like this could have been better than watching the movie.
I was thinking that exact same thing. I was like,
Yeah.
I honestly, like, if I knew that they were gonna play the, it's 6 episodes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After
Broken
the,
up, the movie's broken up into 6 episodes. I would have rather just waited.
Yeah.
I mean, you know.
I mean, we were dying to see it at the time,
Yeah.
and it has been a
course.
whole nother year, I guess. But I agree. Like first intake, like if you did wait for this, I think it's going to be a better watch. Actually,
I feel like if this would have been first, then the movie, you would have watched this and been like, all right, cool, I know the story now. Going into the movie, you would have gotten the like booming soundtrack in the theaters, and you wouldn't have felt like so, I guess, slow in some parts.
Yeah.
Because I think that's what the episodic does better, is that some of those slow parts don't feel as slow.
Yeah, not at all. Not at all. Because I always think the first 30 to 40 minutes of the movie is a little slower. But this was, like, fun to watch.
Yeah. Plus, like, when you're, like, well, as a makeup-wearing person, crying in public is,
Yeah.
you know, walking out of the theater with, like, your mascara all
Yeah,
big over your
tripping,
face.
yeah.
That wasn't fun, but just run to the bathroom real fast.
Yeah. No, but it was good. Yeah, I liked it like this. I feel like, yeah, it's going to flow pretty good into each little segment that we get, because the next episode is probably just, we're going to see all their dreams. Going to get that funny-ass Zenitsu and Inosuke dream state that they're in. Probably
Oh my gosh. I'm excited for Zenitsu's.
Zenitsu's, yeah, it goes wild. So, so with the, I don't know if I want to talk about it in the OP ED video. I guess we'll save it for that. But it does seem like they're adding some new scenes, so. Did you guys notice anything in this one? Was there any off the top of your head? Because I really didn't.
There was just a few, like, I noticed when he was eating all the bento, like, there was, like, a very
shots?
short, no, it's,
Oh,
like,
just,
very short.
Shorter, like, little, just
Just to add to the,
inserts.
how many bento he has.
Oh, yeah, true. Yeah. Comment down below if y'all, you guys can make a list of what was different, and then that we can know on the rewatch, so. But yeah, pretty good episode.
I will say, too, I feel like, or I'm a little worried. Sorry, I was trying to organize my thoughts there. I'm a little worried that going into the train arc after the movie, we already know that we're going to be borrowing a lot of the footage.
Mm-hmm.
And we all know that they definitely put money into the movie to make the animation look really good.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm worried that coming from this, going into the next arc, I don't doubt that the animation and the graphics are going to be really good, but are they going to be on par to the movie? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Well,
That's a good point.
if I take episode 19 of the first season,
yeah.
I mean, that was some movie tier shit that we got there.
But, like, I feel like
But-
the CG with, like, the train
Yeah.
and some of the stuff like that.
Yeah, like how much time have they had to spend on the... Hopefully since they did this arc first, you know, like, it will be just as good as a movie. But I do know what you mean, because later on in this arc, it does pop off with the animation, so I got faith. I think it's going to look great, but yeah, we'll see. We yet to see. So, all right, is that it? Y'all good? All right, on to the next one. Until next week, thanks for dropping by. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below, hit that notification bell. In the Wood Anime,
Mustache.
Joey Bra.
Ash.